Hi, this is Beth Davis, the Person County 4-H agent, and in this clip we're going to be discussing sections 4, 5, and 6 for the 14 to 18-year-old categories. So we're going to get 3 sections out in one clip. So it should be pretty quick and easy. They're all pretty similar. So section 4 is covering leadership, and section 5 is covering citizenship, and section 6 is your community service section. So we're going to start with leadership, and basically what you're going to do is write down all the things that you had a leadership activity in, and you're going to tell exactly what you did and at what level your leadership was at. So the best thing to do, I would say, is to create a chart or a table, and the first column is responsibility, the second column is accomplishment, and the third column is the level. So leadership is anything that has to do with being an officer, serving on a committee, teaching a workshop or a class, giving a program, whether it's at your 4-H club or a civic club. It could be organizing an event or a meeting, and it could also be recruiting new members. So what you want to do is just put that responsibility in that first column and then say what you did. So here's an example that they give you in the form. 4-H club presentation, so that's what you did, and then you taught the workshop. Your accomplishment was that 15 club members learned basic parliamentary procedure. And for the level, that was at the local level. So that is, club level maybe. And then the next example says 4-H County Council meeting, taught workshop. That's the responsibility. The accomplishment is 28 members learned how to make a healthy snack. And then the level would be county. So that is pretty much your leadership section. And we're going to move on to section 5, which is citizenship. So it's very important for you guys to become involved in your community and learn how to be a great citizen. And this is a great year for it because it's a presidential election year. So there are plenty of citizenship opportunities out there for you. And if you're getting to be age 18, close to age 18, this is something you should really get involved in. So basically what you do for this section is you list your activity and then the level of your activity. So you could do the same thing and create a chart and then put that in there and then the level. So the examples they include are attended the 4-H Youth Summit, which was a state level activity, so you would put an S for state. And then the next example says attended my local county commissioners meeting, and that's a county level activity. So that's pretty much all that you need to do for that section. So then we're going to move on to section 6, which is community service. So this one asks you for a description of your activity, the level of your activity, and how many hours it took you to do that activity. So you could, again, do a chart and have 3 different columns. So the examples they give in this section are donated 6 canned goods for Food for Families food drive, and that was at the local level, and that was 5 hours. The next one is writing letters to soldiers, and that says it was at the state and national level, and that took 3 hours. So you can attach extra pages here if you would like, or you could just type it into the form as well. So that's pretty much it. So good luck. If you have any questions about the difference between a citizenship activity and a community service activity, just contact your 4-H agent and they will help you make that determination of where it should go. So good luck, and we'll see you in the next clip.